Give up everything for the sake of Allah and see what happens. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. You will not regret it. There is no way in a million years it could go wrong when you're giving up everything for the sake of Allah. If your intention is true and you really mean it, the things that will happen are out of your control and it will blow your mind. Give up these things, like they really don't mean anything. Give up that job that you're not supposed to be working. Give up the boyfriend. Give up the girlfriend. Give up the clubs, the strip clubs, the casinos, the gambling, the drug dealing, the pimping, and all these things you shouldn't be doing. You know what I mean? Give up that fornication, sleeping with multiple women. I'm telling you right now, like, maybe you're not getting a wife because of the woman you're sleeping with. Maybe you're not getting a husband because you have a boyfriend. Maybe you're not getting that right job because you're not making halal money. Like, who knows? You really don't know. You have to risk it all. And it's that worth it. Like, give up everything for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and you will be shocked. I am telling you this.